Postcards is a must-have tool that helps you create and generate beautiful emails and newsletters without design knowledge. In this video, I want to show you a working process in the online application of Postcards. In the left sidebar, we have a list of all ready-made design modules that you can use during the email building. Let's see what each category contains. The menu category includes modules dedicated to the email menu, where you can insert a logo and links related to your website. Also, these modules contain social media icons for most popular websites. The next category is the header. If you need a more complex menu plus header menu, you can use this category because these modules contain the menu option plus an informative part. For example, choose a header with the menu, hero image, call to action button, and a short description. If you don't need this, you can select modules from menu category in addition to other categories. Let's move forward and see one of the most important parts of your newsletter, the content. In this category, you will find modules dedicated to articles, testimonials, quotes, sponsors, image galleries, and more. We recommend you combine two and create content for your needs. With the Postcards app, you create absolutely different newsletters in different industry categories. If you launch a new product or startup, you will need to show in your newsletter a few features of your product. For these purposes, we have created the Features category with pre-designed modules for your product or service presentation. You can choose and combine text modules or use the modules with attractive images. The next category is Call to Action. This is one of the most important parts of every newsletter because sometimes you don't want to show full information about your release and you want to motivate the subscriber to click a button in your newsletter. So you can use this category and create a very short but efficient call-to-action newsletter. Modern newsletters contain information about products and services. If you want to create a list of products or just show details about a product, use modules from the e-commerce category. Here are the modules for e-commerce websites which sell physical or digital products. The modules contain title, image, description, price, and call-to-action button. Good! We're in the last module category named Footer. These modules contain information about your business, copyright, social media accounts, unsubscribe buttons, and other details about your newsletter. You can easily change all these details to create a personalized footer with desired information. You can see that Postcards contains must-have modules for all types of businesses. Just combine or remove elements to create a newsletter that fits your needs. Now, I want to create a demo newsletter and show other options in the Postcards app. Let's drag and drop modules from the left sidebar to the center. Start with the menu category and drag and drop the module. You can remove the module if you don't like it or if you change your decision. Okay, let's choose a module now and leave it here. I used the menu module, so it's not necessary to use the module from header category. I will start to build the content part of our newsletter. Let's try to build a newsletter for a blog or magazine-style website. I will choose a module where I can show the top article from my website. I want an attractive module with a background image. If you want to drag and drop modules, just click them and the module will be added automatically. Also, I need a module with 2 posts with big images and a module with a grid-based module where I will insert other articles with small images and other information. Okay, the content part of the newsletter is ready. Let's see what we can add to our newsletter. I think I don't need modules from Feature category this time, and I will choose something from the Call to Action category. I want to use Follow Us buttons. I need the last module from the Footer category. I think it's important to not make very long emails and insert only important information in a newsletter. Choose a footer and that's all. This is our newsletter. Remember, you can change the location of modules with the drag and drop module in this style. Now, let's see what options we have in the right sidebar of Postcards app. The module style will change the distance between modules. If we click the List option, we see how the modules will be united and the result will be a full newsletter without distance between modules. We'll leave the List option active. And now, I want to change the background color. Open the picker and choose the desired color. You can use predefined colors or reset the changes if you're not sure about the chosen color. If you don't want to use the background color, you can use an image. Upload your own image or choose from a predefined list. By default, images are created to use in pattern style, but you can upload and change it to be positioned at the top center of our newsletter and use the bigger image. The next option is to change the color for the buttons. I want to show a live example, so I will choose for this a module with a button. So here, I have a call to action button, and I want to change the color. How you can see information about that, the changes of colors can be seen only in preview mode. We'll see this later. Now, let's change the font of our newsletter to Open Sans font. We'll see the changes of the font in the preview mode also. Okay, to see the preview of our email, click the Preview button and you will see the email. In this preview, we have changed the font and the red color of this call to action button. Here is how our email looks at desktop devices. Now, let's switch to mobile devices and we'll see how our email will look like on mobile devices of our subscribers. I think it looks very well. Let's close the preview mode. I will remove the module with this call to action button because I don't need it in my demo newsletter. Okay, this is our email. Check it one more time in preview mode. Yeah, it looks good and stylish on desktop and mobile devices. The last step is to export our newsletter. Click the Export button and we'll have a ready-made design and HTML of our newsletter on our local computer. In upcoming videos, I will show you how to make changes to the newsletter and populate it with content. Also, I will show you how to upload the newsletter to email marketing software like MailChimp or a self-hosted email marketing solution.